start. With reference to the Water Act as originally framed in the year 1974 and as amended in the year 1988, and with reference to the statement of objects and reasons of the amending act, the learned single judge has opined that the legislative amendments carried out in the original Water Act were intended to expand the scope of the Water Act. Stop. The learned single judge has highlighted that the expression establish any industry operation or process or any treatment and disposal system or any extension or addition thereto which is likely to discharge sewage or trade effluent in Class A of subsection 1 of section 25 made it clear that the requirement to obtain previous consent to establish any industry operation or process was no longer restricted to trade effluent being discharged but would also encompass if sewage effluent was discharged. And with reference to the definition of sewage effluent as per section 2G has held that the same would include sewage of any kind including domestic sewage. Stop. The learned single judge has also noted the expanded definition of trade effluent as per section 2K of the Water Act. Stop. Nothing the definition of the words operation and process in para 12 of the decision, and thereafter nothing the decisions that purposive construction needs to be flowed where the mischief which existed before passing the statute was detected and was intended to be remedied. The learned single judge has concluded that collective operation or process of bathing in the bathroom and cell process as take place in the toilet and cooking and washing in the kitchen would, or operations and processes contemplated by section 25 1A of the Water Act for its applicability to residential complexes. Stop. This is the conclusion arrived at in para 16, but in the immediate next para, that is para 17, the learned single judge has lodged a caveat by stating that he was not answering the question with reference to single storied constructions. Stop. With reference to the commercial complexes, that is commercial shopping complexes and shopping malls, the learned single judge has held that the definition of trade effluent as per section 2K would encompass all kinds of non-domestic sewage and has thus held that these buildings would be governed by Class A of section 1 of section 25 of the Water Act. Stop. As regards the very act of. Stop.